Ota boy Joma.
Now me be that. Now me be that. What you say though? It's a rap, bro. Cheesy wasn't it? It's a rap. It's a rap.
King, I'm the best my generation ever seen. I came suddenly, I be like Nepa Bill. I never since, I never miss. I been smashing, I been killing everything. From Ikeja to Ojuwe, let that bitch. To the many places that I've never been. Remember this, I'm a king. I'm a legend in the making, I'm a champion. Remember this, I'm a king. I'm a legend in the making, I'm a champion. Remember this, I'm a king. I'm a legend in the making, I'm a
super good. Hey, I be finding silver lining where the mother say I need patience in due time, and I be reclining by design. I've been grinding for my needs. Bought a whip to give my nephew, put them diamonds on my knees, shining so dope that I purchased 88 keys for mama to play a song and call my ADHD. With this baby face, fine, yeah, them really hate me. Get them belly aches, love them waist deep. Every occasion, I put money in safe keep. Very impatient, be on time when you pay me. Very evasive when they hating what they see. Made me a nation, then they crown me as their king. Bell rings and then my hands are raised. MGM Grander Mandalay. Envy him now while my victory has just begun. When you see me, just know you looking at up, champion.
I'm a champion. Remember this.
Sorry, I don't make you lose, though.
It's a rap, it's a rap.
First passenger. Press your one, press your one.
Mark the pedal.
I made a press for you, they drink juice. I'm gonna try again.
Excuse me, please. Just give us a few minutes. We want to do normal presentation now. Please.
I need to say something like that. I just you didn't know you were. Okay, I'm just with this.
Look at the camera, look at the other side.
Thank you.
Okay,
Sir. One, two, three, level up!
Me do a video for you. So they shall say some test line. They shall not a test line there.
Everybody decided to play. This is me giving a shout out.
Cross your leg a little. Cross it a little. Yes.
Congratulations once again. So you can hear that. So at the start of the season, we're asking fans to predict who they think the winner of the season will be. And the competition is really fun.
Sorry.
Well, I am very, very happy to be here, and I want to appreciate God first. It's been God all along, and I want to say a major thank you to Big Brother for giving me this privilege after 4 years. On the 5th year, I am here, and it's something because I want to do something great, a lot of great things. And with the help of God and those in it already, I believe I will be able to conquer and do something great.
I'm sure your fans can't wait to see all the great things you're doing. Good luck with everything, man.
Thank you.
Oh, we have another question, but I think this is for our multi-choice rep here. It says multi-choice invested into this show annually. Can we have an idea how much was spent on the level of audition? I think Ayakiola, please put your hands together for him. And then the biggest round of applause for the winner. Please welcome Kina. Bring her check quickly, before he lost. All right, that's it. 50 million naira in cash for Vina. 5T courtesy of Innocent. Please welcome our Innocent rep, Kenneth Ochonogo, as she presents the key to Vina. How many hands do you want to carry this thing? Some people want to help you, she didn't come. Congratulations, of course, to Fina.